Allahu, 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 Allah. Allahu, Allahu, La ilaha illallah.
Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to our channel. Let's get into the video today and learn 10 new information. Who was the son of Zakaria alayhi salam? And your options are option A Yahya alayhi salam or option B Shu'aib alayhi salam. The right answer is option A Yahya alayhi salam. What is the meaning of Al-Afu, one of the name of Allah? And your options are option A, the bestower, or option B, the pardoner. The right answer is option B, the pardoner. Which surah does not start with Bismillah? And your options are option A, Surah Taha, or option B, Surah Tawbah. The right answer is option B, Surah Tawbah. What is the meaning of Ar-Ra'uf, one of the name of Allah? And your options are option A, the most powerful, or option B, the most kind. The right answer is option B, the most kind. Which is the biggest animal mentioned in the Quran? And your options are option A, elephant, or option B, the cow. The right answer is option A, elephant. Which surah is called the mother of Quran? And your options are option A, Surah Yasin, or option B, Surah Fatiha. The right answer is option B, Surah Fatiha. What are the name of the angels who will question a person in the grave? And your options are option A, Munkar and Nakir, or option B, Kiram and Katibin. The right answer is option A, Munkar and Nakir. What is the meaning of Malikul Mulk, one of the name of Allah? And your options are option A, the everlasting, or option B, the master of the kingdom. The right answer is option B, the master of the kingdom. What is the meaning of Dhul Jalali wal Ikram, one of the name of Allah? And your options are option A, the Avenger, or option B, Possessor of Glory. The right answer is option B, possessor of glory. How many times did the name of Prophet Hud alayhi salam appear in the Quran? And your options are option A 7 or option B 12. The right answer is option A 7. Every new information you learn about Islam and share with others, inshallah, you will be rewarded sadaqah jariyah for it. So to learn more information about Islam consistently, subscribe to our channel and check our new videos. If you are new to this video, please check our old episodes and subscribe to our channel. Alhamdulillah.